Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, we are building or creating a board and batten in our dining area. And we had started by taking out the baseboards. That was step number one. And then we actually attempted the hardboard. Now we've seen other people doing this and it seemed to have worked for them. However, where we wanted our boards and the height, it just wasn't going to work out. And so what we decided to do was rip out the hardboard, and then we are now, what is it called, babe?
Drywall compound.
We are adding drywall compound to the wall to make it a flat, nice finish, only on the bottom part of the wall where the board and batten is going. So let me show you that. So anyways, this next step, I mean, obviously he is doing all the work, but it's a lot of work, but I think it's going to ultimately make everything look really flawless and smooth, and I think ultimately it will be worth it, but it's just a lot of work right now. So, okay, it's the next day. Our dining area is a big old mess, but that's okay. Bobby just put the second coat, can't even really tell. He put the second coat of the drywall up, and now all we have to do is the board and batten, and he is working on that right now in the garage. He's just getting it all cut so that we can come in here and get it onto the wall. Very exciting stuff. The first board is in. So what we did was we took one of these boards and we actually found these really cool 90-degree boards as well. I'll insert a picture of those. And we just ended up making a little, oh boy. We just made a little picture ledge. I mean, that is probably, what do you think, 1/4 or 1/8 of an inch. Oops, sorry. And so this is what it looks like up. So this is our top piece, and then this is sitting on top, and a picture is going to be able to sit in here without slipping off. That is the teeniest little bit that's gonna help it out. So this is the progress so far. It's looking so good.
Okay.
No, it's looking great.
Cool. All right. Next
Great.
piece. Next piece.
Okay, it's a little bit late, but I just thought that I would show you guys an update of what has happened today. I am loving it. So up next, we have to fill it in and do the caulk around every edge of it. And then tomorrow I'm also picking out paint colors. I'm pretty sure I know of the one that I want, but I might need to pick up a couple just in case to sample it. And then it's paint time, and then we're all done. So yeah, I think that's all we got for now. I will update you guys tomorrow when there's something new. All right, so it's the next morning and I get the lovely job of doing the wood filler, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so we just finished the caulk around the edges. We also sanded off any excess, any excess wood filler and things like that. And so everything's pretty smooth. And now we're just adding the tape for the fun part so that we can start painting. We got everything taped up precisely. And now we're ready.
Nothing is
Now we're
precise.
ready to paint. Wish us luck. Bubba? Bubba, are you gonna help paint?
No.
Huh? You gonna help us?
He's gonna go
Oh,
pop
you're a good boy. Where's the other bloopy? There's the prince himself. Okay, just a quick little recap before we do the final touch with the paint. So our first step was we went over the top and we completely smoothed out the surface, and then we put in, the smart thing would be to put these two horizontal boards and then cut the vertical boards to fit perfectly. That way this top piece is gonna sit flat and flush with the rest of them. And then we went ahead and made this shelf, which I think I have showed already, so I'll show a close-up of the shelf. Go ahead and fill in all the holes and then caulk the whole thing, tape it off, and then now we're at the final part with all of the paint.
I need help.
He needs help. It's
the wrong color.
It's right.
It's the wrong color.
It's beautiful. It looks actually really light with the camera, but it's actually very dark in person. So yeah, that's about.
Very long.
There we go. That's about right. Woohoo!
It's funny. Ready?
Okay. I hate it. I'm just kidding. I love it. Here's one coat. It honestly looks so good that we might not need a second coat, but we're gonna do it anyways. But oh, it's just beautiful. Look at that color. Ugh. All right, I ordered some really cute frames from Michaels. So let's see how they turned out. This is gonna be the finishing touch. This is gonna be the finishing touch to our board and batten wall. So let's see how it, I'm trying to look for the magnet. There we go. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so I ended up getting 3 that are going to fit an 8x10 picture, and then I got 4 that are going to fit a 5x7 picture. And I'm looking at this, and I mean, I love the color. Wondering if we needed to do this color wood, like the color of the dining table, but I think the light is still going to look cute. Okay, so as I was putting the frames up onto our shelf, I realized that I would not be able to really show you the final reveal because baby M is in our photos, and if you're new to my channel, he is our foster son, soon to be forever son, but I cannot show you the pictures because it would have his face in it. And so I am just going to show you the picture frames with nothing in them. So let me show you the final reveal.